I'm Amy Scott. I'm the mental health therapist here at EICS. Right now, what I want to go over are some different things that as parents we can do, or something that we can do for anyone in our life that we care about and we want them to know that we care about them. I'm going to list off, I believe it's 8 ways that you can help them have a better day, or maybe if they're having a bad day, kind of change the behavior for that day. The first thing is make sure they know you believe in them. All of us want to feel like somebody believes in us and loves us for who we are. So tell them that you believe in them. It can make a huge difference in somebody's day and how they're feeling about themselves. Number 2, when a child seems to need extra attention, give it. I'm not saying, if they want to buy a toy in the store, buy them anything they want. This is if they're needing your personal attention. There's lots of times we get busy, we get on our phones, we don't really pay attention. But if they're really trying to communicate to you that they need your attention and need you, give them eye contact. Look directly into their eyes when you do this. And give them some positive touch, like a hug. Number 3, show genuine interest in your child. No matter what age a child is, all of us want to feel like somebody's interested in what we're doing, especially a parent or sibling, because one way we express that we care about someone is showing interest. Ask them how they're doing, how their day has been, or something they would like to do with you sometime. That would give you a good chance to know how to spend some quality time with them. Number 4, do something extra for your child. This would be nice for, like I said, anyone you care about. Do something like write a small encouraging note and leave it somewhere for them to see. Give a small gift. This can be anything from cooking them something they like to eat to buying a gift or present, just something small to show you're thinking about them. Number 5, use grace in your discipline. And what that means is look and work to understand why the child did what they did. Was it an innocent mistake? Was it simply a bad choice? Or was it something malicious that they were doing just purely to hurt someone's feelings? Have consequences either way, but take this into account when you're looking at what discipline to use. Natural consequences are always good to use, but I try not to be too harsh if it's an innocent mistake. That's a little bit different than just maliciously trying to hurt somebody. Number 6, allow them to hear you compliment them to someone else. If you have friends that you hang out with and they know you're close to and you talk to, let them hear you tell that friend, how proud you are of them that day, or something that they did, or, just anything positive about them. Number 7, pull up a chair. This means a couple of different things. 1, get physically on their level, sit down on the floor with them, or squat down. Whatever you need to do to not have to look down at them. Number 2, listen to them. Put your phone down and let them know that they have your attention and you're open to what they have to say. This also implies that you will accept them and what they say. Not to say you'll agree with everything, but they are heard. This is not the time to argue with them, but discussion can happen. Number 8, be encouraging. Say something like, I know this is hard to do. What I'm asking is that you do your best. It does not have to be perfect. And this isn't one of the things that you could necessarily do, but this is a good thing to do in general. Remind a child that no matter what, you love them and are proud of them. Help them feel that you genuinely love them for who they are, not the things they do or don't do. Knowing that we are loved for who we are makes trying difficult things less scary.